Welcome to our channel. This is DHW's Tests channel. Today's Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G unboxing and first look. Box looking very shine. Okay, inside the box mobile, a C adapter, then Type-C cable. Let's look. Phone. Xiaomi just announced the Mi 9 Pro 5G, the company's latest flagship smartphone as it had promised. It has a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass and 90.7% screen-to-body ratio since it has 3.6mm small chin, same as the Mi 9, but this is powered by the latest Snapdragon 855 plus 7nm mobile platform with Snapdragon X55G modem and support for 7 and 10 5G bands for improved signal reception. The phone features download speed of up to 2.02 Gbps, lab, and 1.78 Gbps. Field test is 10 times faster than Mi 9, says the company. It customized L-shaped vapor chamber cooling system, compared to the Mi 9, so the processor's core temperature can be reduced by 10.2 degrees C. It has up to 12 GB of RAM and runs Android 9.0 Pie, with MIUI 11 on top. The phone comes with the 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with laser autofocus, phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and contrast detection autofocus, CAF, closed-loop voice company. 12-megapixel telephoto camera for 2x lossless zoom and a 20-megapixel front camera. It has an improved vibration motor compared to the predecessor for stronger vibration, shorter response that offers haptic feedback with 150 interactive modules for typing, gestures, camera zoom and games. It has a 4000 mAh battery with 45W fast wire charging that provides a full 100% charge in 48 minutes. Charge the phone fully, faster than the 27W and 20W wired fast charging. This also includes high-power wireless reverse charging, which can reach up to 10W.